All right, here we are at Ford. So just taking a blank look at it, I first started off with Ford as just a simple channel. And with that channel, price came down to $5. I then confirmed what else told me that $5 was a good mark. And so I came off of these highs and lows of previous support resistance before, and I just drew it over to $5. And so that gave me a firm confirmation that there's something positive that could happen around $5. The next thing that I did is I just took this range right here at the top where it started to go down. So here's my top and here's the bottom of that range. And you can see price keeps bumping up against it. And now if you duplicate that down and you duplicate it down again, you'll see that the $5 range worked out perfectly. So I have a channel, I have trend lines, I have a range box, and on top of all of that, I have Warren Buffett's 50% off, which is actually 71% at the $5 mark. So that gave me the confirmation that I should buy at $5. Once I got the idea of buying at $5, I got to say, where's it going to be able to go from there? And so if you take up and you look on the other way of trend lines. So trend lines will tell you where to buy in, but they'll also tell you where to sell, what the target is. And that was the greatest thing for me, is because once I started to see the upward possibility Ford had, I saw my first resistance comes in at about $18. So from $5 all the way up to $18 is about 360% profit. So if I buy at $5, it went all the way down to $4, you could make 360, 70% profit. The next trend line is obviously back to the last highs, which are all the way up here at $32. So if you were to buy at $5, right now it's $5.75, and take it up to $32, that's a $560 profit. Is it going to happen next week? No. Is it going to happen next year? No. But it's going to happen before you retire. So would you like to make 560% profit on $1,000, makes $5,500, on $10,000, and so on? So the next one that I saw for a target is a head and shoulders pattern. So here's the first shoulder, here's the head, here's the second shoulder. And we know with a head and shoulders pattern, you take the whole body, the head and everything, and you make that range and you duplicate that range up, and that gives you almost a $37 target. Head and shoulders breakout is going to happen right in this range here. So once price comes up, it breaks above this. We think it's going to go all the way up to $37. So if you take that and you buy your $5.75 to $37, that gives you a 700% profit. I feel that is a good trade to make, 500% profit or all the way up to 700% profit. Buy Ford today.